Investment apps are a convenient way for individuals to manage their finances and make money from the comfort of their own home. These apps offer a variety of features such as stock trading, portfolio management, and educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. Some apps also offer commission-free trading and automatic investments, making it easy for anyone to start investing with little money. With the rise of online investing, it's important to choose an app that is user-friendly, secure, and offers a variety of investment options. By using these apps, you can easily track your investments, monitor market trends, and make informed decisions. Do you want to generate money from home? If so, continue watching to find the best apps that let you invest with a tap of a finger. Number 7. Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular mobile brokerage and investment software among new investors as it simplifies buying and selling stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The company is known for its free trades, fractional shares, and no account minimum investments, making it ideal for novice traders. The user interface is easy to understand and navigate, with educational resources such as tutorials and webinars that help users learn about investing and make informed decisions. The goal of Robinhood is to demystify the investment process and make it available to anyone, regardless of their level of experience. Number 6. Stash. Stash is an investing app that focuses on new investors and offers a range of services including investing, saving, and banking. It allows users to start with as little as $5 and build custom investment portfolios using stocks and ETFs with fractional shares available. The app also offers automated investing with automatic transfers that the user can control. One of the unique features of Stash is the Stock Back Card, which works like a traditional cashback credit card but boosts your investment balance instead. However, Stash does not offer free accounts and requires subscription, with 3 different plans currently priced at $1, $3, and $9 a month. Each plan also comes with life insurance coverage ranging from $1,000 to $10,000. The Smart Portfolio is one of the most important features of Stash. It is a viable alternative to robo-advisors and helps users build a diversified portfolio while automating their investments and rebalancing automatically on a quarterly basis. The monthly flat fee for a robo-advisor is somewhat unusual, but it may be ideal for those with larger balances. Number 5. eToro. eToro is an investing app that is similar to Robinhood, but with a heavy emphasis on cryptocurrency trading. The app offers commission-free trading of stocks and ETFs, including the option to purchase fractional shares. However, what sets eToro apart is its wide range of cryptocurrency offerings. The platform has a much larger selection of crypto tokens available than other platforms, making it an attractive option for those looking to invest in a variety of different digital assets. In addition to traditional trading, eToro also offers smart portfolios, ready-made crypto portfolios that provide an easy way to get started with cryptocurrency investing. And one of the unique features of eToro is the option to copy top-performing crypto traders. When a trader makes a trade, eToro will automatically make the same trade for you, providing an experience similar to having a managed portfolio, but without the management fees. eToro also offers a social or community aspect, allowing users to connect with other investors and traders and gain insights from their experiences. Number 4. Fundrise. Fundrise is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows individuals to invest in real estate without the need for a large sum of money or the responsibilities of being a landlord. The platform offers a variety of investment options and strategies that can match an individual's investment goals, such as long-term growth or supplemental income. Returns on Fundrise have been strong since the platform's launch, and it is considered one of the industry leaders in real estate crowdfunding. It is also a passive investment, which means you can own a piece of valuable real estate portfolio without having to actively manage it. Additionally, one of the biggest advantages of Fundrise is that it allows people to start with as little as $10, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. Number 4. M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a free, automated investment platform that allows individuals to invest in a custom stock and ETF portfolio based on their own criteria. It offers many of the same benefits as a robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront, but without the fees, making it an excellent option for long-term investment goals. The platform offers a variety of expert-made portfolios to choose from, or users can create their own custom portfolio. Once the portfolio is set up, all users need to do is contribute money to their investment account, and M1 Finance will automatically invest it according to the user's settings. One of the key benefits of M1 Finance is its flexibility. Users can rebalance their portfolio at any time with a simple click, or completely change the structure of the portfolio. Additionally, M1 Finance allows for buying fractional shares, and there are no commissions on trades. Overall, M1 Finance is a simple, effective, and free investment platform that allows individuals to invest in a diverse range of assets with ease and without any fees. Number 3. 𝐤𝐤𝐤. 𝐤𝐤𝐤 is an automated savings and investment app that makes it easy for anyone to start investing, even with small amounts of money. With the app's Roundup feature, you can automatically invest the change from your everyday purchases and grow your investment balance over time. The app acts as a robo-advisor, managing your investments for you and eliminating the need for hands-on management. Additionally, 𝐤𝐤𝐤 offers banking features, including a checking account and debit card, and an investing account for children called 𝐤𝐤𝐤. There are 2 different pricing plans available, a personal plan for $3 per month and a family plan for $5 per month. Overall, 𝐤𝐤𝐤 is a great option for young families looking to start investing without the need for extensive knowledge or experience. Number 2. Webull. Webull offers a range of features that appeal to both new and experienced investors. One of its standout features is that it offers free trades on stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, which is a significant advantage for investors who want to trade without incurring any additional costs. Additionally, the app requires no account minimum deposit, making it accessible to anyone who wants to start investing. Another advantage of Webull is that it allows users to purchase fractional shares, which is particularly beneficial for those who want to invest in high-priced stocks but don't have the financial means to purchase a full share. Additionally, Webull offers advanced reporting and analysis features that are particularly appealing to self-directed investors who want to perform their own research and analysis. These features include real-time market data, market news and analysis, and advanced charting and technical analysis tools, which can help users make more informed investment decisions. Overall, Webull is a great option for both new and experienced investors who want to trade without incurring additional costs, and also for self-directed investors. Number 1. Public.com. Public.com is our top choice for new investors and our favorite trading app overall due to its clean interface, easy-to-use design, and educational opportunities. The app features themes, which are lists of stocks and funds organized by category or purpose, making it easy for new investors to find the types of investments they're interested in. Users can trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency, and trades are commission-free. Additionally, Public.com offers alternative investments, including NFTs, fine art, and collectives, as well as soon-to-be-added options like real estate and music royalties. Public.com also has a social aspect, allowing users to follow other active investors, learn from their trades, and join in conversations about investing. The app also offers virtual town halls where users can interact with executives of publicly traded companies. Overall, Public.com is an excellent choice for new investors who want to learn about investing while also having fun and socializing with other users. Final thoughts. We have highlighted the investment apps that we believe are the best for different purposes or situations. However, it is important to note that these may not be the perfect fit for everyone. It is ultimately up to you to choose the right investing app for your needs. That's all for this video. For more investment and make money online videos, subscribe to Simply Economics. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss our videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.